Alright guys, back working on the square body. We bought a carburetor. That was $416 for this, and they was nice enough to give me a gasket. Yeah, well, I mean, it was a freebie with the carburetor. And I mean, it saved me like 25 bucks, so I'm not complaining. They also said, if you want to bring the old carburetor back, we'll give you $25 for it. And I was like, the math ain't mathing. $400, $25 for the old one? No, I think I'll just spend $50 and fix that one later on. But yeah, this is a genuine rebuilt carburetor, big dual jet. You know, that could have been one of the problems, considered both of these front bolts were finger tight. But we know we have a vacuum leak on this shaft right here. There's a little brass bushing in there, and it's just bad.
Right here on the bushing shaft, which wears out quite common on these lock chester, you know, 2 bells and 4 bells and single bells. We also got a ton of leaks, if you look.
Yeah, you can see it leaking there, and also it's a bad vacuum leak, which is making the truck miss.
Well, we went and picked up a lock chester carburetor to put on this C10 because everyone was saying how junky it was. We should buy a new one instead of rebuilding this one. So we listened, and it was expensive. It was $400 for this and just this little stuff here. So you better like and subscribe and all that good stuff to this video. Share it so we can afford stuff like this to put on this truck that keeps breaking for some reason. I don't know. To remove your carburetor, it's very simple. You got 4 bolts on each side, 2 bolts. This is the gasket. See the bolt location? The sun is awful today, but it's nice out. And you need to remove your fuel line here. Once you get that, just unplug your vacuum hoses, hook everything back up, and you'll be golden. It's very simple to do this.
I don't know why.
And also, disconnect your battery so it don't randomly start up. You know, you don't want to lose your fingers or your toes, or you shouldn't have your toes in the engine bay, but I'm guilty of it. So this is a 1/2 inch, by the way. Joey's.
Wow, that was loose.
As a goose?
It was loose as mother goose.
Yeah.
Turd.
Yeah, we're going to start the C10 now with the new carburetor. We're going to just crank it over till it starts. It should have enough gas in it from that leaky old carburetor to just fire right up.
Hot.
A little hot. We in suspense, Joey. If I was a fat man, I done died.
What, James?
If I was a fat man, I done died of suspense. Huh? What? What?
Hey!
What?
The blower motor started working.
Oh, that's good. Fix. It's happy. You got a warm way? I need to adjust the idle up a little. Keep it running? Okay. Go ahead. Fuel leak. That needs tighten.
What does?
The big bolt. The nut here.
Is it leaking?
Yep.
Yeah. Well, isn't that dumb?
Well, it probably assembled on Friday. See, just because you buy something new don't mean it's better. And that fuel leak you just seen is because somebody assembled this. Assembled it junky. As you can see, we got an issue here, and that threads might be gone. We might get lucky. I don't know. We have to remove this and see. So, the first thing about a new $400 carburetor, we found the first issue is it's the people who assemble this stuff that you hire and stuff. This is crooked.
Yeah, look at the gap on this side.
They hire people that's not experienced, and they just hire them to be hiring people, and they just throw this stuff together. So when you spend your hard-earned money on something like this, you get issues. And now this carburetor might not be savable, you know, because this front piece here is just destroyed. You know, I don't know. We're going to try. We're going to hope that he didn't limit in too deep and we can straighten it. That's how come it was leaking pretty bad, though.
Come on, you bastard.
It'll have a spring and a filter in it.
Yeah.
Should have. Maybe a little plunger, which is a greenback plunger. It's got the washer on it, and the threads are fucking killed. Yep. Oh shit. We built kit?
Might have to.
They impact this or something.
Yeah.
He's killed it. It's got the aluminum here, and it's got the aluminum inside the house and gone. That's
killed.
That's killed. That's junk. It's a paperweight. We bought a new carburetor. Well, Joey did, and you can see, even though it's $400, you just don't get quality anymore. And we're just gonna probably rebuild this one because we ain't waiting on a new one. This one's good, and we got enough knowledge between both of us to rebuild a 2-barrel. And with the help of you guys commenting.